We're at 1229 Brownfield Road. This is in Pensacola in the Springfield subdivision. We're entering through our main front door here. We have nice big tall ceilings here. 2 bedrooms directly on either side of the bathroom, front door. This is bedroom number 1, located on the front side of the home. Nice big double window looking into our front yard. You can see our front door there. Here is bedroom number 2. So this is on the left of the front door. Nice French door closet for this bedroom. Continuing on, we're passing a coat closet. To the left, we have our laundry room. Nice, good size here. Directly next to that, we have our guest bathroom. Linen closet in here as well. Coming back out. Next up, we have our kitchen. All appliances included, nice big sink, lots of cabinetry space, and we do have some bar top seating as well. Here is that living room. We have nice vented ceilings, plenty of lighting in this room. We have windows along the entire side of the home. Now, before we go to our master suite, we're gonna walk towards the back of the home. On the back side of the home, there is a step down to a separate sitting area or what could be an office space or a playroom for your children. There is a storage closet over here as well. So nice, good air conditioning storage space for you. Now, before we head outside, we'll show you the master suite, taking our step back up and then turning to our master bedroom. Laminate flooring continues throughout, same pitched ceilings in here as well. Now we'll take you to the ensuite here. We have double sink, vanity, pardon the shower, the flooring was just completed, linen closet, and then also our walk-in closet here. Coming back out now, back through the master bedroom, and we are back in that main living space. We'll take you to the backyard now. Exiting through our back door, we have some nice landing steps into our huge backyard. Storage shed is available for tenant use. One of the doors is currently open. And then the yard goes all the way back there, turning you around so you can see the back of the home. Heading back inside now. We'll go back up our steps here. And then we are back in the main living space. Again, this is 1229 Brownfield Road, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.